Here. Oh, dismounted. No, this is front line here. Tuk-tuk color. Vivatix. What's his name?
Ay, puta si Miga yan. Puta na. Laro ka. Dismount. Dinalagcheck.
Dismounted here, right? Dismounted here. Uphill sila. They're playing uphill.
Open board.
Playing uphill, okay? But they chasing me? This guy chased me? No.
Pakat ka nga,
Okay? Dismounted uphill. Yeah. They dismounted.
Put check ko si guys, ha?
Yeah, they dismounted here. Maganda position natin dito, pre. Uphill tayo dito.
Okay.
Dismounted here, okay? Dismounted here. They're kiting. What the fuck? Lumating up. First fight, no?
Go.
Fight. Weran, motherfuckers.
No fight.
Oy. Toto, may kupal dito.
Kill this one. Oh boy. Pucha,
Why
kilala
not
ko.
fight, guys? Why run? Ay. Chase. First fight.
Sa likod na. Malilikuran tayo. May
Yeah.
Regroup. We need scout. North. Come here.
I'll scout.
Don't chase, guys. Don't chase.
Here, stop. I need scouts per city.
Tier 7. That for here.
Okay. Tol, di kita masyado naririnig, Tol.
Outpost 3 daw tayo.
Okay.
Outpost 3. OP3.
Let's go outpost 3.
Baka natin nag-ahos.
Sorry.
Okay lang yan, Dal.
Nakakausap mo, Tol?
Nasa 3 sila tumasok sila. Problema yung down
Okay lang yan, tol. Fight na.
Pwede yan, 2-way.
Sabihin mo, Tol, first fight muna namin. Tapos pakap na lang sila.
First fight doon namin yung effort. First fight doon namin yung effort.
Natakot si Bibor, eh.
Oh no, fight.
Mid-fight, bro.
Kasundan natin yung malaki vlog natin, natakot siguro.
Pre, kumilang tayo. Saan yung mark top?
Islavia, pero.
Thank you, Stupman.
Wala na? Saan pa laban, Tol? Kaya nga, ikaw lang fight na yun.
Yung limers.
Nabalaw, sino lang mamaya?
Nandito sila, oh. Ayun, dito pala eh. Ito, oh. Zone. Keep zoning. Ito, oh. High ground sila, oh.
Naka-pwesto na. Laban na yan.
High ground.
Pwesto kayo, ha?
Nasa chopstick na eh.
High ground gusto nila. Okay.
Ano daw, boss? West side of outpost 1 daw tayo.
Post 1, okay. Sila na lang kumuha ko. Didepend namin to.
Don't trash the boys, okay?
Dismount case. No trash talk, ha. If I call levels, no trash talk, ha. Clear this one. Engage your main 3, 2, 5. Yeah. Just clear. Pa-clear mo na. Clear mo na nila ito.
Until yung caller namin. Until yung caller namin. Until.
Viva Bex, dismounted here. Viva Bex.
Mag-type ka daw, Uncle.
Ha?
Mag-type ka daw.
Ay! Mount up first. There's a blob here. Baka malaki yan, Tol.
Yun, timers mo na. Tara, pre.
Ang laki, gago. Ang baka.
Three-way fight. Versus party.
Sasalubungin tayo na ito. Ano ba ito?
Laban lang! Ba't tayo matatakot? Nakausin na tayo.
Follow me.
Fight.
Lemmer sa 2 party.
Kasi nalubong ng Switch yun, no?
Appeal to pre, appeal to pre. Oh.
Wait lang, pre. Hanap lang ako.
Focus daw natin yung lemurs daw, Uncle Lee.
Now,
Hindi sa atin yung malaki.
Lemurs?
Lemurs daw yung
Sabi ng Fort Sterling? Okay, okay. Alam din.
Hindi na hit ng FS. Lemurs yung focus natin.
Okay.
Sige, sige. Hold muna tayo, tol.
Okay.
Kaya mo natin magsagupan sila sa tayo ng mga tol.
Ina na ko pwesto sila. Ito pwesto natin, di ba?
Hindi daw tayo hit ng S. Sabi.
Ito ganda ng pwesto dito, pre.
Pwede na tol? Pwede na maglaban?
Sige na, pwede na.
High ground sila guys ha. Hindi high ground. High ground nyo. Deadford.
Logi tayo dyan, tol, ha?
Oh.
Huwag tayo...
Just wait guys. Just wait. Ano lang ang pwesto?
Don't pick killer.
Na tayo, mag-bridge. Mag-bridge tayo.
Killer, don't pick.
Follow me. Ay pucha, may scouting lemur sa akin. Flying Dutchman to eh.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Ismutan niya nga to. O first fight nga ako. Come here, appeal.
Ito lang. I'll try to catch.
Up the hill guys.
Nasa update kami,
Wait, come back northwest. Sigurado ka tol, hit ng Fort Sterling yung ano?
Oo,
Yung
kasi
lemurs?
masyado malaki.
7.3, sarap.
May party, just wait.
Always, hold.
They're here, Appeal sila para pwesto pa. Pangit.
Kaya ano eh.
Ano map na kayo, tol?
Dito sa Martel ko.
Boss Mirabel.
May party!
Ang malaban na yung mga ano, pre.
Saan na ba sila?
Nilalabanan
Saan na
na
ba
pre.
yung members?
Ito, may number na yun.
Namuwi na sila.
Dahil, dismount. OC. Wait. Come. CC, north, looking north. Step up now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clump, guys, big clump. Oh, kite, southeast. Step up now, southeast. Follow me. Northeast. Northeast. North now. Oh no, come back, first turn yan.
Huwag yung hit yung Fort Sterling, lemurs lang.
Okay, come back. Okay, follow me. Step up. Looking again. Cancel. Come back west, come back south. Come back south, down the hill, come back south. May party, come back south. Wait. Down the hill. Looking, boots down, looking. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big club guys, oh my god. Fucking hell, scout. Giga. South. I need the lane. Giga. I need the lane. Giga, hill. City.
6 seconds.
Southwest, come back southwest. Come back southwest, come back hill first. Come back southwest. Ready? City. Looking now. Looking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clump, guys. Nice one. Kite southwest. Cancel na. Defensive ready. Ready. Wait, CD again. Come back north. South. Come back south. CD.
Ready.
Okay. Wait. Come from that. Looking. No, looking now. Boots. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage me. Come back west. Come back. Kill this one. Come back south. May party, come back south. Here. Okay. Wait. Come south, northwest. CD again.
Pwede dito.
5 seconds.
CD again.
5 seconds, Carby.
Okay, boots in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage me. On my turn. Nice. Come back. South. South. Come back south.
10 seconds.
Okay. 10 seconds. Come west. Come west, come west, come west, come west, come west. Come east now, come east now, come east now, come east. 5 seconds. Okay, engage me. Engage me. 5, 4, boots, 3,
Yan, Limers yan.
Wala, naka...
1. Engage me. Background. Tumakbo na.
Tayo ng first sterling, pre.
Wait. Ready defensive ba? Wait. Binam yung part Sterling ko. Come west.
Binong bansa.
FC, oh. Okay, looking. Come west. Looking. Boots now, boots. Ready, engage. Mini. 5, 4, 3,
Layo.
2, stop. Bakit ganun?
Port Sterling na yan, ha? Port Sterling yan.
Full sailing.
Ubusin mo na yan.
Ito, Tedford sa likod maliit lang.
Just fight.
Patay ako niyan. Bakit na yun?
Christian Davidson.
Tedford at the back, boss.
I need scout.
Galawin.
Tedford south.
Okay. Come south. My party comes out.
Hello.
Catch. Come back south. Come back east.
Limers daw tayo.
Linilikoran na tayo, ha? Main, sa likod na.
Okay. Come south.
Tedford ka na
Mount up na ngayon, mount up. My party, mount up. Then dismount now. Oh, come back. They're looking, come back. High ground. Wait.
Tedford sa likod, ha?
Wait. Yeah.
Surrounded sila.
Catch the first third. Catch the third bird. Catch. Engage me. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. Come back. Wait.
Tumatakot, Tedford.
Mount up, please. Mount up. My party. Makabalik kayo, tol. Bandit tsaka ano.
Patati yung likod ng Limers, tol.
Yeah.
Bumbayin pala akong gagawin.
Dismount. Pass. Looking. West.
Hold on.
Northeast. Boots now. Northeast.
Ready.
Boots in 5, 4, 3, hold 2, 1. Big clump, guys. Kill the shit. Kite south. Back south. Southeast now. Southeast. I need scout Tedford, ha. Bomb. Defensive now. Bomb. Fuck. Kill the SH. Kill. Christian double inside the bus. Fuck. Pakal naman. Yeah. Kite, wait. Hold. Hold. Wait. Come back. Wait. Come back. Kaya nyo mauna yung zerg ng main. Kaya nyo muna yan.
Pagkampi yung
Wait.
tanking niya. Ayun.
Ready, boss.
Kaya,
FS yan, ha?
Follow me. Southeast. Looking. Boots now. Engage me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clump, guys. Okay, kite south. Ready defensive, ha. Ready giga. Wait. Hold. FC yan. They're looking sa atin, ha. FC yan.
Si Viva Trax yan, ha?
Yeah.
Ay, dito ba kami boy sa kami?
Pabanatan ba natin to? First early?
Ready.
Hindi, Limers na muna, eh.
Lemers lang muna eh. Respeto na lang. Boots.
Pinabomba tayo eh.
Bayatan mo
Come
na.
on, chill.
Mamaya na sila labanan, pag naubos
Looking. West, looking. Boots. Ready in 5, 4. Oh, catch this. 2, 1. Engage me. Kill. Ay, come back southeast. Dismounted. Come back southeast. What's Sterling? Come back southeast. They're looking sa atin, ha. Looking. Ready. Sige ba?
5 seconds.
Mount up.
Nagmamount up sila. Ito, naligo.
Ano yun?
Enigmatic.
1v1, pre. 1v1. Labanan mo lahat.
Ayun daw sabi nila, pre.
Wala
Hindi
yan,
nga sila
tara.
nila.
Routed na yung Limers, boss. Routed na. Nag-mount up na lahat ng Limers.
Okay. Pwede na tol? Sabihin mo nga tol kung pwede na. Kill this one, ha.
Aspect, oh. Word, boss.
Kill this one. Engage in 3, 2, 1. Down siya.
Buo pa kayo dyan sa Mardale.
Oh,
Boss na.
Tapos yun.
Maubos yung Port Sterling. Namatay siguro caller ng Limers. Si Jiggly.
Ito, boss.
Hindi, lumalaban pa.
Ano, papalag namin dito total, Port Sterling?
Ano gano'n natin to?
Ayan, check ito Limers pala.
Cash na Limers, guys.
Uwi na tong Limers. Wala na to. Patay ang caller
Port
na ito.
Sterling.
Feeling ko patay caller na ito. Ay, hindi, bumabalik. Bumabalik ah.
Yung.
Ito, Limers.
Let's go.
Ito, front line nila ito.
Dis mo ano, catch. Catch ka. Sayang ka. Ayun, nahuli ko. Sayang GA. Catch,
Huli.
nice one.
Ayun, huli.
Perma, nice to Perma. Kill the Perma. Nice one. Ready in 3, 2, wait. Oh my god. Oh, bam. Looking. Oh my god. Mark lock bomb. Catch the mark lock bomb. Huli ka.
Saan yun yung Port Sterling?
Wishing star
Ready
yan.
din ako na.
Lahat na.
Racing Star.
Ngayang, dalawang engage lang tayo.
Saan na yun? Ano yun?
Tapos na tol, no?
Bakit,
Ang caller nila.
yung Port Sterling. Talo ko after ng
Alam masing daw ulit, di ba?
magre-regir.
Oo.
Nag-regret daw?
Oh, regir.
Mag-regire yung yung Limers.
Dito ba ulit nilaban tol?
Fight, boys.
Nandiyan pala si Piatos. Ayayin mo Piatos.
Ano?
Ayayin mo.
Oo.
Dito.
Nag-regate.
We gonna go high ground guys, high ground.
Okay, nag-drop
Yung underway sila. Baka pupunta ng Long Timber or maybe Gully. With us muna yung Bishop Hall.
Let's go high ground guys. Where's my missing? Full missing?
Kumagarbak sticky. Dito na ako.
Ang Bridge Watch Party is in underway, guys.
Ay na, boss. Hindi makita yung caller. Tangina, wala mag-iisa sa party.
Hanggang saan pupunta?
Ayun no.
Dito na ako, papasok na
Wala,
ako
si
sa
Brad.
Mardale. Mardale pa rin ba kayo?
Oo.
Tingin kayo para makita kayo ni Sticky.
Ito,
Huwag na. Kanina pa yan.
Wala kami, full party kami tol eh.
Lima.
Mark mo na lang ka to. I-mark mo.
Hindi nga
Kaya nga.
wala siyang party.
Hindi.
Wala siyang party, hindi makapag-mark.
Ito po si Draw. Guys, Limers at saka FS, triggering sila.
Sige.
Ayan siya.
Go, share ko.
Lakanap lang
Yan na ba? Expanded.
Babalik ka pa ba,
Babalik ba tol? Tapos na yung... Yun ulit. Mardale.
Dito na ako.
Tapos na yung laban tol, hindi pa kayo nakabalik ah.
Double OC na lang natin ito.
Malayo kasi yung lahat.
Ay, malayo ba?
Wala sa
Ang ano?
Malayo sila.
Tingnan kayo.
Pero kanina.
Tingnan ako.
Ito kami sa Bason.
Ako layo ko. Lang source pala.
Tayo ng rigger, putang ina buti walang gangster.
Smart lang ako.
Ay, gusto nyo cup muna natin to?
Pwede. Pwede. Kaso
Baka
meron
mabomba tayo tol eh.
may connection ba? Wala tayong connection. Ay, di, meron. Pwede. Meron connection.
Kailangan star
Cleric
lang.
down.
Tara.
Pag-star lang to eh.
Hindi, more cup ng zone. May mas bonus pag tapos ng bandit.
May gagawa ng connection. Nakap yung gali.
Hindi, run si Galo, pero wala
Gali.
Wala, cancel na.
wala emergency.
Share ko, where are you bro? Can you go F-Creeper?
Saan ba
Kenor to ah.
Saan mong gagaling yung Limhurst?
Sana.
Layo ba yun?
Panel
Tunnel ba yun?
High voltage pag ang gagaling yung mga yun.
Pre, salubungin na natin.
Doon tayo sa tunnel. Sa tunnel.
Anil? Let's go, Tanin.
Sarap mga engage dun, tol.
Oh, sir.
Sikip pa naman ng
Put
bota.
your gigaw helmet, guys, please.
Pinakasaan yung English?
Siya, grabe din yung English yung kalaban ng Fort Lemers, eh.
Ito yung ano?
Muntik
Pork
na,
Ay, galing sa likod eh.
Yapak sa po nga. Mag-umark na ako.
Ano, boss?
Dineclare ni Kapag po.
Sorry.
Nandito si Gap?
Mas pangalit to.
Ayun, Stinky, join ka na, oh.
Pang-mark lang.
Share ko, where are you, bandits, bro? Where are you?
Hold on tayo, Pearl.
Dito.
Para makita lang yung blood natin.
Okay, just hold. We gonna practice card. Carleon?
Pangalit natin yan.
Ay.
Huwag ka magpa-plug ka pa ng break watch.
Magano ko pa ng bridge watch, tol?
Ka pa.
Gago, kailangan pa mag-plug.
Ay.
Okay, this month, we're gonna practice this. We're gonna practice spread. Sino tong red ko? Yo. Spread here on the wall, southeast, in the wall in northwest. Spread, northwest and south,
Oo,
northeast, and everything. Just spread, okay? Looking northeast. Step up now. Defense, step up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, pop your helmet now. Helmet. Okay, demon now. Next, demon next. Demon. Oh, where's
Ito
my
isang
demon?
ito isang bridges.
So, only?
Nabila.
Bago, dalawa lang demon ko pala.
Wala?
Okay. Yeah.
Tatlo.
Kaya.
Tatlo.
Tatlo yung demon mo.
Okay, just spread.
Tatlo demon.
Maglalaban na rin, no?
Sila
Baka
Bia si
mga-
BD.
Baka mabam to, no? Baka mabam kaya to.
Ano maban? Ano to?
Wala pala akong food.
Ba't red to? O baka may food kayo na dampot, bigyan niyo siya ang call. Oo nga rin pa. Ay,
Ang
dalawa
kulit na tagis na tayo sa Twitch ang call.
Akin yan, tol.
Para trade mo.
May nadampot yung ano, for pambilit.
Trade, guys. I need...
Trade me yung call. Trade. Ito ba?
Saan ka, tol?
Ito katabi mo.
Hirap na natin ka. Nalaki ng pangalan mo.
Hello, kasi yun. Ang ganda niya na.
Gusto niya.
Angas.
Ganda ng ano nila.
Bago bomba tayo. Nasaan yung kalaban mo?
Kapafish yung ngayon. Solid yun ah.
Ano ata, no? Kamusta, tol? Nag-ready ka?
Para may copy-paste tayo mga.
Solid yun.
Sige nga, boss. Tingin nga ako niyan.
Sa para.
Lemurs. Yung Lemurs, ano, party 1 na lang. One party na lang yung Lemurs.
Yun lang.
One party lang naman tayo.
Oh, sabi mo, one party tayo, tol.
Yung kanina, ano, yung Lemurs kanina, 2 party yan eh.
Kaya natin ito.
Random na yung sumali sa ating camp, eh.
Nga rin.
Random na yung sabi mo, tol. 3-party limp, sabi? Yung main ata, 3-party. Yung main na... Suffer siguro.
Angas pala eh.
Gago pinos ko sa guild chat. Murado lahat ng chat eh. Mali.
Wala tayong ano din na laban, ah.
Tapos na, puta wala.
Buhay na lang natin. Labas tayo sa east.
Saan buhay na natin, pre?
Sa long
Buhay na natin.
timber.
Saan ba yan? Saan yan?
Long timber.
Dito. East side.
Sige. Go sa lubo. Tingnan ako ng house. Putyang angas, oh.
Angas nga gago.
Angas. Ay,
Help.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Kill this one. Engage in 3, 2, 1 on the crown, guys. On the crown. This one. Then go south. Northeast now. Nartis, oh, white na yung Zerd ko, Nartis.
Steamers.
Nagre-rigger pa rin yung Limers, nagre-rigger.
Okay, susunduin namin sila, tol.
Susunod.
Mount up.
Sabihin na lang natin yun. Laki ng blob dun. Saan palaban nun, ah?
Mount up, let's go. Na matapos na to. Mardil daw? Fighting na, kill lang kayo, fighting pa. Dito na kami to, sundin daw namin eh. Asan ba?
More
Saan
play
ba
daw,
yun?
sabi ni Mia.
Sabi lang timber daw. Saan ba talaga?
Baka yung first Sterling.
Ikaw na ako
Sino
dito. Pag ako dito.
Steamers kakalabanin. Steamers kalabanin natin.
Yung Mars kinabahan ito, okay?
Go so long. Timber.
Asan na yung Mars? Ay,
Martin.
wow, Mardil daw, balik.
Mardale. Andun na ba sila?
Papunta ng isang, ito may vlog na rito sa Beach Resort. Post time?
Double OC na tayo.
Auto
Oh,
post time. Post time yun tol. Post time. Pwede.
Bago baka ma-proper ko to la. Ayun o, 10-11 na. Sagasahan natin to. Trigger
Wala
press.
pa yung jerk mo. Wala pa yung... Riosi.
No. Dismount in double OC.
Wala pa.
Double OC yan to la. Hindi rin OC yan.
Tama.
Dismount in double OC guys. 40 na gagi. Gusto nyo sagasahan natin yun?
Oo, pero tatakbo yan.
Hindi, baka proper yun to eh. Fight yan.
Kapag yun.
Saan tayo?
Magdun na tayo, pre. Magdun na. Laban na.
Okay. Yo, don't TFK! Hindi namin kayo masisave dyan. Ay, tumak. Wala ko sa loob.
Mga white.
Yung Limers nasa long timber na. Pa-zone na nga doon.
Mars, dito na. Dito na?
Dito.
Smoke.
Yan sa Mardale natin labanan tol.
Oo,
Martin na.
Okay,
Sige, pwesto na tayo. Pwesto na tayo. Naku, sino yung magpipintol? Ay, putang ina mo, laki.
Tago!
Yung red na yan.
Ayan.
Oh, no fear, 3 party. Sige, tara pa lang.
Alam mo yan.
Asan yung breakfast na isa, tol? Baka pwedeng humingi ng tulong.
May one shot dito.
Dito na nga tayo kilala tol.
Let's go, guys. Good luck. May tutulong ba sa atin?
Wait lang daw natin yung yung sila Mia. Mga 1
Saan ba daw sila? Saan na sila?
Yatos
zoning sila.
Gago, on fight na kami dito. Mag-on fight na kami, tol.
Wait lang natin sila. Malaki daw itong mga 1 game daw ito.
Ay, 1 gym? Ay,
Mga 1
sige.
game.
Saan na sila ngayon Zerg ng Vintage Watch?
Ship Shadow.
Deep Shadow. Saan yun?
Papilat na mag-hold Southeast tol.
Southeast, okay, hold Southeast, guys. From Southeast. Gago, disgrasya tayo, guys. Retreat muna, retreat. 1 gym pa rin kalaban natin. Pero papalag tayo, guys.
Kung nasa Ship Shadow yung mga tropa.
Kaya 1 gym? May ping kaya. Assault.
Palalang nga ba na? Palalang laban, tsakain mo na ako Maria. Pak! Kain mo na Maria.
Ay, walang ping. Pinakollar niya dyan.
Ay!
Ito, mga looter, sumama sa atin, oh.
Pagbukin na natin.
Garudang router. Gag.
Wala ba, hindi naging yan eh. Ganyan. Ano tayo lahat sila, yung ano, yung
Fight man! Oh, fuck!
Mapag-asa ma-overland. Okay, ma-overrun lang kasi tayo eh.
Tunnel fate yata gusto eh.
Kung sa paano, lugi tayo, maliit lang tayo dun.
Oo,
Yeah.
ikutan lang
Wala
tayo.
tayong depth tank para dun.
Nasaan yung isang Zerg ng pitch one now?
Regrouping sila sa Shadow. Pero palabas na sila.
Shadow. Okay. Nasaan yung ano? Limers?
Ayan na, zone. Hindi yung problema natin.
Ayun.
Tara, bugyan natin yan.
Food yung problema natin dito.
Ah, sige, tara na.
Uy, may nabasagan na. Hindi
Utang
nagbabalos.
kami, gago, yari tayo dito, zone.
Fish profit,
Go back.
pinagbabalos.
Proper yan.
Yung nakikinig ka.
Go, zone in. Sino
Sino
hindi
may
lang
nag-helmet yan?
double out?
Yan, sino may nag-helmet?
Zone.
Don't back.
Guys, yung may lot ng helmet yan, oh. Pyro Maxim.
Meron ako, wait lang.
Profit
Oh,
ng
it's double OC guys. This month in double OC. Come zone in. Come southwest now. Pulubi tayo dun. Overrun tayo dun guys.
Go sa office.
Oh, one shot yung tail, ha? May tail pa, mahaba.
Hold. Pwede tayo maglaban dito, oh. Ganda kaya dito.
Ganda dito mo. Puro double ano.
Double fish profit.
Hindi ko bumabalik sa expanded. Tol, okay ka pa?
Si fish profit.
Wala na yung bandit. FK na yan.
Fish profit, asan ba? Wait. Hold sir.
Fish?
Nasa Roscops kami to.
Northeast ka after nyan.
Hold tayo dito, hold na lang.
Okay.
Numbers to, ah.
Sige nga, sunduin kita tol. Mark, broken fell ka, di ba? Ito, dito kami. Zone guys, zone. Kinakatch ka? Pakatch ka tol, dito kami. Pakatch ka tol. Gigi, go mo. Dito na kami. Pa-dismount ka tol. Pa-dismount ka na. Ay, hindi ka nag-dismount tol. Ay. Huwag na, kambak na.
Nakita na tayo.
Nasaan yung Yo, wait. Hindi na naman yung cancel. Ano, nasaan yung enemy ngayon? Tol?
Islan.
Bridge watch, nasaan na tol? Saan sila fighting?
Mardale yun.
Kung nagsapa ka na yung ano, first sterling tsaka limers.
Kasama sila, pinahintay kasi tayo yun.
Ayaw tayo makipay. Tara, so, alagan na natin yun.
Oo ba, labanan na natin yun. Big numbers na eh.
Sa mo daw kami, maumuna na kami. Oo,
Southeast.
Southeast guys, southeast. Hindi yan dinadaanan nyo. Kung mga nasumunod dyan sa wall.
Laking lupad.
Sir, click your minimap guys. Just click your N. Click your N. Oh, west, pucha. Narinig ko na. Ating itong, mga DPS ko.
One ko sa counter ngayon.
Nahuli shit sila eh. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan sila, naklap sila.
makakatinin yung mga weapon natin. Okay, castle.
We're all dying daw. Kita na niya ang tagapagligtas.
Sabihin nyo, by time nila nga mo, tol. Makakahinga yung mga yan, tol. Makakahinga yung mga yan. By time ka mo.
Na ang tropa.
Tara. I see them. Let's go.
Wait, sila? Nasaan sila?
Oo, ano mo si Sil? Wala naman kasi, lima na ako sa laban.
Ayan.
Sabi nyo kasi nila papahintay sila. Tapos una na.
Wow.
Hinihintay yung tropa, no?
Ano, bukbuhan ka yan.
Catch natin yan.
Catch, Southwest. Ay. Gankers to eh. Uy, ito.
Putang ina.
Kago, naka-ano. Carry boots.
Catch.
Nag-hindi.
Yan ang fight, pinagantay lang tayo, Pen.
Hindi tayo makikinig sa mga coach.
Pinagpuan na natin yung fight.
Ito, overweight yung bang mag-ganker.
Okay, kunin mo ito. May laman pa ito. Ang dami nga nagit dito. Gaano pala sila?
Shadow.
10 gankers dito sa ano, Chip Shadow.
Kasi yung red, dahil nga.
Ito, pinapatay si
Huwag masyadong mag-follow ah.
Pinapatay mo ng ganker dito sa Chip Shadow.
Gaano
Lemurs.
pala eh.
Ay, nadali sila ng gankers.
Total lang dito Lemurs sa ano, Chip Shadow, Lemurs.
Okay, go.
Oh, may T1 love dito.
Ayun, dito sila.
First fight if you can, guys. Malayo ba yan sa akin? Pag nag-sound ako?
Hindi.
Dito lang, katapat lang na road.
Okay, first fight.
Puro gankers nandiyan, no? Eh, nice catch.
Doon ako sa pang-catch to.
Tayo pang catching lang.
Iba yung pang-catch yung kakap natin.
Gulang kalaban lang.
Kasi limers.
Nawalaan. Ano ba yan? Dulo na
Di
naman.
ba yung malaki? Ano ba yun? Malaki yun sila, di ba?
Ano nangyari?
Pinalaga na pala natin yun, no? Saan tayo? Uwi na tayo. Let's go Southwest.
Mardale daw sila. Tara, fight na. Mardale.
Mardale? Okay, Mardale. Last fight, guys.
Ay.
Puto na wipe sa gankers yung tropa.
Ay,
Ay, hindi nakapaklan siguro yun, Tol. Topping team.
Dalawa na yung agad na itong ano, beer.
No choice, guys, ha? Dismount. Fight na. Let's go. One more fight, guys. One more fight.
Pero fight din.
Walang info ang pucha.
Mardel car. Nasa
Yung bridge hooks to, walang info.
Yung isang signal.
Nasa Mardel yung
Hindi namin alam natin yung Richards, Tol. Sa mga
Diyan lang. Yun tol eh. Kapag nag-engage ako, run over na tayo. Yun ang naano ko, kaya kailangan ko may midfield eh. Or tayong
May life first pa tayo.
Meron, Tol, meron.
kasi hindi makakaano pa ng mga DPS ko eh. Hindi makakapagpas na basta eh.
Isang magandang engage lang to.
Set up natin na
Mardel natin na mga bata.
Gold.
Mag-gankers dito sa Ganzo.
Ito yung Lemurs.
One shot ha, there's na one shot ha.
Ay, yung mga brawlers talaga itong mga beamers sabi nila.
Okay. Kuya, Bedrocks man.
Love yun.
Pinapikip kiting ha. Malaki vlog nila.
Malaki yan.
Wait, dalawang
Yung-
killer. Kayo guys, yung color nyo nasa likod po.
Zone, no.
Yung
Zone.
Lemurs, 50 yung Lemurs love yan.
50 versus 20 plus. Okay.
Ayan.
No fear. Here guys. Wala ako sa inyo guys ha. Just pop your helmet.
Laban na yan. Ang ina nyo.
I call demon guys ha.
Mga pusher
And
lang.
then I call the helmet.
Defensive system mo. Defensive system mo.
Wipe tayo dito. Tingnan ko eh. Pero
Hindi, kasi Power talaga yung mga lemurs pa. Mga nakatiig.
Huwag nyo ba, right?
Yan sila, mga regenerable yan sila ng 1G.
Ano na ako sila?
FS lemurs.
Naglalaban, FS Lemurs. Tara, bomba tayo sa Lemurs. May mga
Lemurs ko na tayo. First one, Lemurs. Fuck Lemurs first. Gucci daw eh.
Asan yung blob? Yun. Tamang-tama, backline.
What's up, motherfuckers? Who's that healer? Who's this healer, man? Who's this healer?
Total 1v1v1 na to. 1v1v1 na na gan.
Ay.
Dismount guys, dismount.
May
Smart,
tail ka
smart.
pa, may tail ka pa. May tail ka pa.
Yes, Mateo.
Kambak. Lock north. Lock north. Dismount in lock north. Boots now. Headlight helmet. Boots in 5. Step up now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Big camp guys. Southeast. Ready defensive. Helmet first. No demon. Helmet first. Okay. Guys, southeast.
Right?
Wait, southeast. Wait. Up the hill. Saya, bro.
Kaya siya po.
Chill, up the hill. Come back first.
Lemurs
Come
looking
back
at
first.
us. Lemurs looking
Yeah,
at us.
Thank you. Wait lang nga. Wait. Just wait. Okay. Wait. Just wait. Okay. Step up. Looking northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, engage me. Takron. Nice one. Kites out. Ready. Helmet. Come back south now. Come back south.
North is a bus.
Lemurs looking around us.
Come south. Come west. Boots west. West. Boots.
Malayo.
Apil tayo dito. Dito sila.
Malayo to.
Okay, come east.
Dito sila sa akin.
Yeah.
Wala ng plate.
Wait lang. Papalag yan. Ang laki pa ng vlog niyan eh.
Sumibat na. Ito, pinarismot ako.
Kaya ko mag-catch.
Ito, makakatch na kayo.
Ayun o.
Ladies mounted.
Na DA.
Mounted for Sterling.
Oh, no. North. Left on front. Ready defensive. Ready helmet. Ready, wait. Helmet. Engage me. 5, 4, 3. Step up now. Northeast. 2, 1. Down south. Kite southeast. Southwest. Up the hill. Go up the hill. Ready demon. Giga. Southeast. I need hill southeast. Ready. City passage. Wait. Northwest. Move northwest. Okay, wait. Look southeast now. Looking southeast already. Looking southeast. Wait. Just keep kiting west. West, boots now. Boots. West in 5, 4, 3. Wait. Cancel. Wait. Stabilize first. Okay. Defensive now. Helmet. Okay, looking me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the west. Kill. Hey. Defensive. Ready. Kill this one. It's about proper. Ready. Defensive. I need scout. Guys. I need scout. Low.
Lemurs southwest. Lemurs southwest.
Northeast in 5, 4. Boots. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Stop coming.
Cancel, guys. Cancel. Wait.
Lemurs na south natin.
Ay, Lemurs?
South.
Ayun.
East side Lemurs.
Wait. Come back west. West. Come back west. Wait. Come back west, They're looking. Left on southeast.
Night helmets guy.
Wait. Come back. Wait.
They're looking.
Wait. Come back, Defensive now. Defensive. Okay, nice. Wait. Come back. I need scout.
Wait, stop. Okay.
Okay. Wait.
They're looking at each other now.
Okay. Come. Looking east. Proper tumakbo.
Tol, nakatingin lang sa atin ni Mars, tol. Nakatingin sa atin.
Yeah, Limers,
Nakatingin sa atin.
Come back west, come back west.
Yan, tol.
Okay. Come back west, DPS. Wait,
Ako mag-scout. Ako mag-scout.
Okay, okay. Just chill lang. Kamis.
Engaging yung
Nag-engage sila.
Okay, please, ready? Ready, engage me. 5. Catch the bomb. 4. Oh, 3. Wait, just walk lang. Just walk. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clump, guys. Big clump. Oh my God, kites out now. Kites out. Kiss and doubles. Sino pa? Northeast. Move northeast. Come northeast. CD.
2 seconds.
May tropang bridge watch tayo dito.
May bridge watch? Ambak.
Sagot natin kung ang tropa natin yun. Ito.
Okay, buksa. Wait, sandwich lang, pre.
Ready, boy.
Wait lang, pre.
Ito, ikot.
Yeah.
Looking.
Come northeast. I need scout, please. Come southeast. Ready,
Supre.
Come northeast. Wait lang, pre. Meron kasi dito, Fort Sterling, pre. Mawawag tayo. Northeast, boots now. 5, 4, 3, wait, 2. Cancel. Okay, walk. Engage me. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Layo.
Layo?
Layo.
Oh my God.
Daming stop sa amin.
Sabi mo malayo, guys.
Layo ng mga DPS.
Mount up nga kayo, mount up.
Bombay mo na lahat.
Ito pa. Dito ka. Sa akin yung Limers.
Depth on front, looking down, boots in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage me, big club guys, kite southeast, kite northeast, northwest now, northwest, ready, helmet, double is first, wait, just hold, Hill Saya, Darwin Judy, Saya, step up, northeast, boots, ready, 5, wait,
Cool down.
5, sige pa, ready, boots, 10 seconds, ready, engage me in 5, wait, come back. Ready, defensive, yeah, come back. Okay, wait, just a break only. Okay, engage me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage me guys, big clump. Holy shit, come back, ready, hindi man no, Hill mill. Kite. Lakas na ito ah. Kite northeast, north, come back, north. Double is first.
Where's the damage, boys? Where's the damage?
Looking southeast now. Wait.
3 seconds, Barbie. 2 seconds.
Come back. High ground again. Wait. Engage me. 5, 3, 2, 1. Engage me.
Oh my God, the damage, man. Where's the damage?
Come back.
Oh my God.
Yung
Death comes muna, death comes.
Northeast. Wait. South. Ready? Engage me. Step up now. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my God. Cancel. Wait. Come back. Looking. Nice. CD.
Iba yung sinusundan nyo. Andito siya.
Dito.
Yo, CD.
Ready.
Ready? Wait. Come back. Looking northeast in 5. Votes now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage me.
Layo, nandito yung engage.
High ground.
Sayang.
Come high ground here. CD again.
9 seconds.
20 seconds.
Ay, mapatay ah.
Sayang yun.
Limers, network side. Limers,
Hindi lakas ng Limers. Fort Sterling.
Limers.
Ready defensive. Wait.
Tulungan natin yung East. Tulungan natin yung East. Tropa to.
Looking yung sa atin yung ano eh. Engage me guys, engage me. Oh, kite south. Grabe. Up the hill. Defensive now, defensive. Helmet. South. Kite south. Dropping duty, hill up ya. Dropping duty. Kite south. Okay, wait. Kite south pa. Kite south. CD.
Yung main party.
South. Look on me, oh. Look on me. Here. CD. Engage me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage me. Big club. Late. Oh, nice. Kite south pa. Red helmet, kite south. Run over sa atin. South. Kite. Asan yung?
May tropa tayo tol sa East. Pwede tayo magkaroon sa engage.
Nasa baba, pre. Nasa baba natin yung isa.
Kamis.
Alam nila, hindi tayo nakipaglaro sa tropa natin. Kaya ano eh.
Wait. Kambak. Hili, Alvin. Wala na tayong damage guys ha. Pucho na lang to.
Meron yun na pipigilan tol.
Up niyo yung boots nyo, guys, para di kayo ma-stun.
Ay, hindi ko. Wait.
Ito patayin natin, oh.
Red helmet, nice gay. Wait, just a pick only. Wait. I'm gonna fake, just a pick only. Ready. Come back, south. South, ready, they're looking. Okay, step up. Engage me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Big club, oh. Okay, kite south. Move south. They're looking south. 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 On the ground. On the ground. South. West. CD again.
14 seconds.
Push W, skill. 14 seconds, nice. Push W, skill.
7 seconds.
Okay. I need scout here. Okay, looking northeast. Move northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Come back. Come back south. Come back west. Yeah. Come back west.
Gagi, wala na kalap na.
West pa. Wait, CD.
Wala na rin palang ano. Tingnan mo party mo to.
15 seconds.
FPS na.
May kasama pa tayo, oh.
Okay, hindi na play lang to. Okay, looking northeast. Come on, northeast. Boots in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big club, guys. Saan damage, please.
Walang DPS.
Come back west. Mga top ko na to.
Ganun
Talaga mo lang tol.
Ano na kayo sa akin, tol, ano? Yung may party to.
Tama
Join me.
ito.
Same vlog na tayo, par. Tayo natin to,
Totoo, yan.
Okay, looking again. Looking northeast.
5 seconds.
Come, follow me here. Okay, boots now in 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage with me, guys. Big clump, oh. Walang damage yan talaga, guys. Balik kayo, please.
Wala
Walang
tayo.
damage.
Umalis na yun sa party mo. One life, pero.
Defensive. Oh my God.
Okay.
Two-healer down.
Okay, engage with me. Isa pa, engage with me. 5, wait.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, engage. Okay, helmet, ready, helmet. Up the hill.
Nurse looking at us.
Ay, up the hill. Sayang. Ganda sana ng fight yun.
Sabay ka na lang sa ano nila, engage tol.
Yeah, engage me. Ready? Shoot now. 5, 4,
Wala.
2, 1.
CD ka.
Ano, uwi na tayo?
Hindi tayo makadelete.
Gucci na ito.
Bayan natin na lang yung ano, yung Lumer's card. Or sumabay ka na lang sa engage nila para magka-damage tayo.
Sige. Balik kayo dito, guys. Extra proper. Nag-live na pala sila.
Ito, yung likod. Bakla, no?
Southeast, guys. Looking southeast.
Looking.
Boots. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala tayong damage, guys. Kaya, okay lang. Ready, defensive now. Nice. Kite north. Ay, pucha. Nakita ko yung mga pangalan ng house dito. Hilidra. Dropping duty yung Hydra. Balik kayo guys. Sayang, sarap ka na.
Uy, pa si Piatos, pre, oh. Diyan pa yung 7 to mo.
Fake ka, I'm gonna fake ha.
Oo, kaya.
OC 5 minutes tol. OC 5 minutes.
Double OC again. Ayun, kill this one, oh.
Wala na.
Kill this one. Sige, tol. Okay lang yan, tol. 5
Sagad na yung OC, sagad na yung OC, sagad na yung OC.
Bilang, tol. Palag pa.
Kaya hanggang mabasag OC natin.
Yeah, okay lang yan. South daw. Looking East. Looking sila. East daw.
Northwest ng
Northeast.
Timor.
Northeast. Limers nasan? Okay.
Looking now, enemy looking now.
Help me. Don't die. Engage me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clap, guys.
Ganda, big club. Puto.
Putang na walang DPS,
Damage
nag-drop.
na.
May nag-GA na club.
Oh, defensive.
Nice. Come. Heal. Drop in Judy. Viva Rex, oh.
May nag-GA na club. Sorry.
Ayan nga eh. South daw. Looking. South it is in 5. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this club.
Yun.
It's huge. Okay, gayahin ko lang siya. Go back north, okay? Ano pa? Uy, gago mamatay yung slug to. Hili, labia. Hello.
Wala natin healer.
Yo, ha?
Ayoko maglaro dyan sa choke. Baka mag-run over Brazil.
Kill this in 3, 2, 1. Ay, sayang. Ganun fake, ha? Oo, disappoint ko ni Goki.
Wait natin engage yung tropa.
Okay. Nantay natin yung engage yung tropa. Kamis.
Ikutan tayo, pre.
Kamis. Looking. Wait, cancel. Eh, patay tayo. Gameplay counter. Engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Big club, oh.
Walang nag-drop.
10 seconds, kill. Nice one.
Patay
Nice
siya.
one. Kising doubles na mob. Kising doubles. Masakit to. Tugo tayo dito. Okay, step up. Southwest. Boots. Looking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big club, guys. Holy fucking hell.
Wala talagang DPS.
Kahit Northeast. Kailangan mo namin backup dito, guys. Yung Northeast. Oh, yun. Ganda na, no? Okay.
Cancel yung engage yung tropa.
Okay.
Oh.
Easy
break. 2 minutes.
Hindi nga mabasag.
It's okay. We're gonna last 2 minutes, okay, yeah? We're gonna pull push, in 10 seconds. We're gonna pull push. Looking. Defensive now. Nice. One push na lang, pasabi nga, tol. POC na kami.
One push na lang, wala na kami OC.
Looking. Defensive.
Okay, last go. Walk in. Last engage. Walk in.
Wait.
South.
On the crown. 5, 4, 3, oh, fuck, 2, 1. Engage on me, guys.
Walang nag-drop. Yun. Dalawa lang.
Oh, shit.
Isa lang.
Okay, push if you want. Kung gusto nyo mamatay.
Pare-pares na walang damage.
Di push, guys.
Our party,
Hindi, already defensive, ha?
now waiting for Sterling.
Dito na ako. Push na tayo. Dito na ako.
Looking to us, ha? Di mo.
Engage on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's engage, guys.
Wala. DPS talaga.
Patay na ako,
Wala na tayong DPS.
Wala na, tapos tayo.
Par.
Run!
Hanggang mamatay na yan.
Tagal
Hindi,
natin.
nagsibalik yung mga members ko.
More nag-arpak.
Hindi niyo ako mapapatay.
Ano ako nag-limit sa inyo, ha? Kita ko yun, ha? Dismount nga kayo. Dismount. Matap ka tayo, Scanner. Cantor pala. Si Big D, nag-save na si Big D, ha? Ay, putyo, nakaka-air boots na, oh.
Tiki is fly, Tiki.